Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADVM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis yesterday on Monday, and things were looking very, very shaky. But today, and things actually started off looking very, very shaky. You had the downwards momentum, and then all of a sudden there was this big gap down this morning. But from that gap down point, it was just all all bulls the remainder of the day. And then all of a sudden it went sideways, but still a very, very healthy looking chart here going into Wednesday. And really there's a very key dynamic here and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be watching this area. And that's right here at $14.50. This is where essentially the price got rejected time and time again. Yeah, there were a couple instances where the price got up above it, but there's also other instances where the price didn't quite hit that high. So to me, it's kind of finding that middle common ground there. So $14.50 going to be that level where a lot of people are watching that. And I bring up the fact that a lot of people will be watching it just because when you have a lot of people watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's exactly what's going on here with the $14.50 mark. So from the breakout perspective, $14.50, if the price can get a good high volume break of there, then it would not be shocking in the least to see the price get up to $15 and probably higher than that. But the key dynamic there is, like I said, it's got to be a high volume break of that area of resistance. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned going forward, in the near term, that initial level of support looking right around the $13.90 mark. And if $13.90 can't hold up, then at that point you'd want to turn your attention to this purple line down there, which on my chart represents the very well-known 50-period simple moving average. But really the main dynamic going forward is a whole lot of people are going to be watching $14.50, myself included, and wondering if the price can get that breakout. So let's see what happens with it on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.